Hello everyone, today we have another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services, and today we'll be looking at a ceiling fan. Okay, so you have probably noticed that your ceiling fan, you're not getting any breeze from it, or it is not cooling your room. So we're gonna look at one of the major causes that is causing this issue. Alright, so most, if not all, ceiling fan has two options. It is called the reverse option and the forward option. Alright, so what I'm going to explain to you is the difference between these two options and which one your fan should be on depending on your need. Okay? Alright, first we'll be looking at the reverse option. The reverse option meaning the fan will rotate in a reverse direction, and this direction is if your room is cold and you want to blow that cold air out of the room, right? So if your room is cold and you want to get it warm, your fan should be in the reverse position. However, if your room is warm and you want it to be cool, your fan should be on the forward position. So depending on your need, your fan should either be in the reverse or forward position. So reverse position to keep the room warm, and forward position to keep the room cool. So if you notice that you're not getting any breeze from your fan, your ceiling fan, chances are the fan is in the reverse position and you should put it in the forward position. Alright, so that's basically it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. This was another video brought to you by Danai's Electrical Services, and for more of these videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Danai's Electrical Services. Thank you.